So that's how we use the Msgbox function in the Excel. Have you experienced about while you're searching on the internet, there's a pop-up came out? If you have that experience, that means you have been familiar with that Msgbox. Msgbox is important because it used to have a communication between the user and the system. There are three uses for the Msgbox. The first one is it used to ask the question to the user, and the second one is to give a warning, and the third one is it will give you the information. So are you ready to learn in the using function in the Excel file? Okay, so let's go. So I already opened the Excel file. You can see on the desktop. Now I open the macro, and you can see I already created a simple Msgbox. So you want to see the coding. So this is the code. Msgbox is simple VBA coding. So I type the Msgbox, and when I enter the space button, the Excel will guide you on how to write the coding. And for the first one, it will give you the guideline on how to put the words in the Msgbox. For example, I wrote this: hi, welcome to this video. When I press the comment button, so it will guide you to help what type of information you want to ask to the user. For this part, I will use the question. So we use the vbQuestion. So press the comment button. So the guideline for the Excel, bold on the title, it will show on the top of Msgbox. So I wrote down Excel project. Let's see how the coding works. I'll show you step by step. So we use the step into function. So you can see the yellow one, the yellow highlight. It will go one by one to see how the Excel read the coding. Okay. So see this for the first one. It have a question mark picture and say hi, welcome to this video. When we press OK, it shows the second coding. This is a vbExclamation mark. Then vbInformation. You can see there are the different picture. So you see this is information. Then the last one is vbCritical. It used to give the warning to the user, and you can see it show the X mark. Okay. Now I want to share to you on how to give the user the only choice that they have. So you can see this Msgbox, we can write down the as usual for the first one, Msgbox. Then we set the hi, welcome to this video. Then we ask the question, vbQuestion. Then we want to give the user only one selection with OKonly, vbOK. Next is the title. We use the same one, Excel project. Then let's see how the coding works. We're using the step into. So that is the only option that the user have, OK button. So we press enter. So that's all for this part. And the other part is I want to show to you how the message box it can implement in the real project. Continue with our part. I show it to you how the application of the message box can be done. That's all I want to show to you on the application, the message box on the real project. So that's how we use the message box function in the Excel. If you think this video helped and beneficial for you, please press the like button and subscribe the channel. So we will see you on the next video. Bye bye.